Well guys, this is it. Today's the day. Taking my bike over to Triumph to get rid of this exhaust and get a nice shiny fresh one on it. So yeah, here we go. Now this is a two-part video. The garage that I'm going to, Triumph West Yorkshire, is quite a while away, so I thought it'd be daft not to do a video on the way there. So I'm actually going to do a video of the journey there and just talk about my thoughts around getting a new exhaust, and then part two of the video is going to be the after effect really of you know, having the exhaust on essentially, and doing the trip home. As usual, the first stop is going to be the petrol station, because I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually running on empty at the moment. Didn't get a chance to fuel it up last time I was out and about, but I've allowed myself an extra few minutes, although I am running slightly late now. Weird. Helmet off. I'm getting told to take my helmet off here. Fuck's sake, I never have to take my helmet off here. Well, I must say that's the first time I've ever been asked to take my helmet off at a fuel station. And I always go to that one. No big deal, like, just surprising, that's all. Now, I did set off today with 10 minutes to spare, but that wasn't 10 minutes to get some fuel. That was actually 10 minutes because I'm assuming I'm going to get lost. So that was the idea behind that. But seeing as I actually did go for fuel, that just means that I really don't have time to get lost now. So I'll have to pay attention. I know the general sort of area where it is and what's around it, so I'll just have to keep my eyes peeled when I get there, and see if I can see any big Triumph signs. Oh, here we go, we're making up some ground now. I sometimes come down this road on a morning in the car, and it literally can take 20-25 minutes to get down here. I'll probably do it in less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes on the bike. Now I am going straight on here, and this lane is right turn only, but I'm assuming that I can sort of pip the guy at the front and just head straight over the roundabout way. So it's build up of traffic anyway. Look at this, oh my days. All I need is a small gap up there. Oh, don't want to be doing that. Small gap up there that I can just sort of filter my way up. No one turning, good stuff. Let's have a look, what are we looking like? Oh, not bad after this truck. Thanks, mate. to self, never ever take this road when I'm in a car, sorry. Wow, this is just not an enjoyable motoring experience. All this traffic. I would be losing the will to live right now if I was in one of these cars. But it's going to be a sit and wait, is this exhaust. They said it'll be between an hour or two, something like that. I'm hoping it's going to be closer to the 2 hours, in all honesty, because I want all the traffic to die down for the way back. I want to have a nice, enjoyable ride. And yeah, it's difficult when there's so much traffic around here. I might just loiter around and look at the bikes and stuff. But to be fair, I'll probably be late anyway, so I might have to wait a little bit if they get something in before me. And when I say I might be late, I'm definitely in denial because it's 8:58 at the moment. I've no idea how far away the place is. I know it's in this general direction, but I'm definitely not going to get there by 9 o'clock. Right, it's 9:10. I am lost. Here we are, Triumph. I've probably parked completely in the wrong place, but hey ho, they can move it. And I'm 15 minutes late. Brilliant.